Okay, I'm back. Tennessee just finished off the Seahawks. The refs pretty much did everything they could to keep the Seahawks in the game. I'll tell you what, they sacked them in the end zone, and Russell threw a wild pass, intentional grounding, and the refs even called it intentional grounding, and the referee comes over and says, "Oh, no, he was down at the 1." Oh, okay. He was in the end zone. They whirled him around, and he was even deeper in the end zone, and then he fired it. What a joke. But what could you do? All right. Let's see here. Select. Here we go. Select. Now, this one was $2 per team, $1 for shipping. So, just to let you know, these are all cheap ones. Okay. Arizona, CW. Atlanta, Terry F. Jason P. has Baltimore, Buffalo, George J. KJ for Carolina, SG for Chicago, BK for Cleveland, Vinny C for Dallas. Whoops, wait. BK for Cincinnati, Vinny C for Cleveland, David D for Dallas. Sorry about that. CG for Denver and Detroit, Paul M for Green Bay, David D for Houston, David Z for Indianapolis, David D for Jacksonville, Crawman, Kansas City, David D for LAC, LAR, Joey E, David D for Miami, Joe E. That's so funny. David D for Miami. Okay, Minnesota, John H. Don J for New England. All right, JJ got New Orleans, New York Giants, New York Jets. Bobby G got Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Harry K. Gary I for San Francisco. Okay. Baron K for Seattle. All right. Joey D. I'm sorry, Joe D for Tampa Bay. Kiera Kane for Tennessee. TY for Vegas, and RC for Washington. All right, so that's going to do it. This is the third break of the night. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these. Saved the best for last. Since the Prestige was a little bit, $1 per team, sort of expensive, so this is sort of cheap. I made the best product cheaper and the worst product a little bit. I didn't mean to, but I had to, because what am I going to charge? 50 cents a team? All right, let me knife this up. Oh no, I just thought of something. I don't know if any of you guys get into those 33 polls. They just had Seattle, them refs cheating for Seattle. They just screwed up a 33 poll. Hopefully that got it. This one still needs a little bit of cutting. If you guys wondering why I do it this way, I like to save the boxes. There we go. Wasn't cut all the way over there. Okay, here we go. All right. Select empty box. Okay, I already did the rundown. All right, Jared Goff's right on top. Micah Fitzpatrick. Oh wait, that's Minka. Minka Fitzpatrick on the back. Okay, here we go. Enjoy the Emmys. That thing will be turned off so fast it's not even funny. All right. Okay, let's do it. What did they say? 40 cards per box? All right, Jared Goff. Chase Claypool, rookie. Drew Lock. DeAndre Swift, rookie. That's Detroit. No, that's Tennessee, isn't it? No, that's Detroit, I think. I think that's Detroit. All right, Dak Prescott, Cowboys. He stinks. KJ Hamler? Is that what that says? Hamler. KJ Hamler. All right, rookie card. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Aaron Rodgers. Okay, we got some blue. Ow. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. James Conner, Steelers. A.J. Dillon, Packers. Jimmy G, Niners. And Khalil Mack for the Bears. The Bears. Nice. I wonder if they're numbered. Nope. Okay, we got a silver Keyshawn Vaughn rookie card for the Bucks. We got a hot stars Nick Bosa. We got a Randy Moss unbreakable. That's sweet. And Cole Kmet rookie card for the Bears. Brett Favre for the Pack. Tommy Stevens rookie card for the Saints. Oh wow, check it out. Who got Cincinnati? Hold on, I gotta go see. Oh, look at that on the back of the pack. One more card, and it was Joey B. All right, let me look. I don't know who had Cincinnati that game. Cincinnati. Ah, my buddy Bruce. Good job, Bruce. There you go, baby. There you go. I'm gonna sleeve that. As a matter of fact, you're not here. That's the last card, Fitzpatrick. I'm putting them right here, and I'm going to get some sleeves. All right, well, you guys don't need to watch me sleeve up a card. Again, like I said last time, thank you very much for joining my breaks. I appreciate it. I try to keep them as cheap as possible. I think I'm going to start like putting other stuff out, sell stuff. If you want to buy a box, or I even have like Pokemon stuff and Funko Pops and stuff. Maybe I'll put them in the background. If anyone's interested, I'll put some like, say 1953 Yogi Bear card or something. Or maybe I'll put my Mickey Mouse out just so everyone can see them. All right, well, I haven't gone live yet. I haven't done live in a couple, maybe about 2.5 years. I've just been recording them and then uploading them, but I think I'm going to start doing lives. So just to let you know. All right, guys, again, thank you very much. I am out. Thank you.